Okay guys, here's how you can add admin commands in Roblox Studio to your Roblox game. So just load up Roblox Studio, click on My Games, find the game which we want to add admin commands to, just left click on it, and it's going to load it up like this. Now from here, what we want to do is just make sure models is selected. So click on models here under the toolbox, and we will search for co like this. So co's admin, click on it. And then here you will be able to find the co's admin infinite. Just simply press or hold your left mouse key and drag it onto the field here, and we can click on OK. Now after we have done this, it might take a little bit of time to actually set up, but here this is what it's going to look like. Now we can expand this. As you can see, we have co's admin infinite. So click on the little arrow here to expand it, and we will go into credit. So here from the credit, again, we're going to expand it, and we will have settings. So just double click on settings, and we will accept the terms and policy here. Okay, so here we have successfully added the commands, and here if we want to add specific people who are going to have, access to these commands, we can type out their name right here in the middle. So we're just going to add some quotation marks, and we can type their name. So for example, old creepy dude, that's my username, and that's how you add people and give them access to your commands. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.